Hi there everybody, it's CreativeSarah, and what do you do when you have something on one side of your double-sided decor, but put something on the back? This way you can have something on your desk, on a shelf, and you can flip it around for whatever you need. So let's use this back side, and I'm going to use this cute transfer. That's enough for today, and we will use some really cool bright colors that are coordinating with the embellishing I already have on this board. So I'm just going to use Couture Teal and then bright white. Just spreading the chalk paste over the silk screen, peeling up that transfer. Ooh, ah, look at that, perfect every time. Now I'm going to dry it with my quick dry tool. If you're new, go ahead and comment VIP for more information or sample if you'd like to try it out. All right, once this is dry, we can put it into our stand. Now look at this. This is our board and base, so it's got a decor already on the base. I'm just going to create a little thing to add onto that jute that I have wound around the base part. I'm just gonna trim off the jute that I tied a little piece of ribbon to, and we're gonna attach it with some hot glue. It's so easy peasy. Look at that, a little bit of hot glue. I'm gluing it actually to the ribbon so I could take that ribbon or I could take that jute off if I wanted. You guys check out CreativeSarah.com for more information.